Hey guys, this is Late Model Automotive, and this is the L8T 6.6 liter. I'm going to show you guys that we're going to do an oil pressure switch right here. This is the factory one for Gen 5 stuff. We're not using that one. We're actually using the top port, which this is for a Duramax. This actually fits the correct fitting threads and everything, so we went ahead and utilize that, and we're going to go ahead and put a new connector. This was working, but he power washed it and water got in it somehow, so I'm going to go ahead and swap it out. Rag in there, just in case. So I'm going to put a new connector on there. Alright, so we're going to install a new connector for our oil pressure sensor. The circuits for this 2014 Duramax connector, all the circuits are exactly the same as the 08 5.3 had. The location's different, but the signal, 5 volt, low reference, all of them are the same color. So we're going to go ahead and use those same reference points and just match them up where they need to go. So top one, number 1 is the tan and white. Okay, we got terminal 1 to the tan and white. I like to go ahead and put tape around this, that way if any of the insulation comes apart, it's not going to be metal to metal. Okay, then we're going to line up terminal 3 or pin 3, which is the low reference, black. Go ahead and heat shrink that. Sometimes it's easier to heat shrink individually instead of trying to fight them all at the same time. And then pin 2, the gray wire. Heat shrink that. Yeah, they start fighting. Got the connector in there. Just like that. Let's go test it and make sure oil pressure works now.